DJ's Preston Sports. We've just acquired this absolutely lovely Range Rover Evoque Dynamique. Lovely condition, very good spec. Got front park distance control, finished in magnificent gleaming black. Upgraded 20-inch black alloy wheels, black pack all around the car. It's also got rear privacy glass. It's got rear park distance control, reverse camera, bigger and better rear diffuser. But the paintwork is really lovely. Big rear spoiler there. Boot area is in lovely condition. And the piece de la resistance, I love the interior. The contrasting black red interior. Panoramic roof. Got electric memory seats. We've got heated seats. Meridian sound system. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Seats are in lovely condition. Again, the panoramic roof. It does have a sliding cover as well. Let's just have a look. So we've got all the menus come up. Media pack, DAB, reverse camera. Satellite navigation, 3-stage heated seats, climate control, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift gearbox. It's done 89,713 miles. Off-road functions. Really is in lovely condition for its age. A DJH or full dealer facility, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give me a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.